Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at some plush stuffed animals, whichever you prefer to call them. They are from Disney World and these retail for $7 each. And I got them on eBay, so if it's something that you like, I don't know if they still have them at Walt Disney World or not, but you might check eBay because that's where you find a lot of good things. Anyway, so we're going to start off with Brer Rabbit. Each of these are about 7 inches tall, with the exception of the vulture, who is about 11 inches tall because of his hat. Okay, the first one we're going to look at is Brer Rabbit. Now he looks pretty good, except that his color is gray here, and in the ride he is more of a tan color. But other than that, he looks pretty good. I'll kind of flip him around for you to look at him. Now he does have his big rabbit feet there, as well as his buck teeth like a rabbit would. So overall he looks pretty good. The next one we're going to look at is Brer Fox, and again he's the same price as well as the same height as Brer Rabbit. Now he's got his teeth hanging out here as well. He's got his cool little vest going on, and if you flip him around, he's got a big fox tail, which is pretty cool there, as well as a big yellow hat. He is rather cool as well. The next one we're going to look at is Brer Bear. He is the same height as the other ones, same price as well, and they did a really good job with him. He's got his blue vest, or a blue jacket that is, not a vest, and his red hat on, and there he is being flipped around. I'll show him a little closer so you can get a better look at him. And there you have Brer Bear. So here they all are together. Please tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite. My favorite is Brer Rabbit. Though his color is not correct, I still think that he's the one I do like the best. And make sure you do put a like and subscribe to this channel, as I do have more Disney videos coming. I now am posting videos on Thursdays. So till next time, we'll see you later.